Did you know that a cat's brain is 90% similar to a human's brain? Yes, indeed, cats and humans have nearly identical sections of the brain that control emotions. This fascinating similarity is just one of many that bridge the gap between our species. It's no wonder we often feel such a deep connection with our feline companions. But that's not all that's fascinating about our furry friends. Cats have some peculiar behaviors that might surprise you. Ever had your feline friend suddenly sprint around the house in the middle of the night? That's what we call the midnight zoomies. This peculiar behavior is a burst of energy that cats often exhibit during the twilight hours. But why do they do it? Well, cats are crepuscular creatures. This means they're most active during dawn and dusk, times when their prey in the wild would generally be active. So even though your cat isn't hunting for its dinner, it still has that hardwired instinct to stalk, pounce, and run. The midnight zoomies also serve as a way for cats to burn off any excess energy before they settle down for their long night's sleep. So what may seem like a random act of madness is actually an essential part of a cat's daily routine. Understanding this behavior can help us appreciate our feline friends even more. Now, you'll know what your cat's up to the next time they have a midnight sprint session. Ever found your cat squeezed into a tiny box or drawer, seemingly comfortable? That's because cats adore small spaces. But why is that so? Well, it's all about their instincts. In the wild, cats are both predators and prey, and small enclosed spaces offer a safe haven from potential threats. It's like their personal fortress of solitude, where they can observe the world while remaining unseen. Moreover, these compact spaces provide a sense of warmth and security for our feline friends. They can snuggle up and feel the sides pressing against their bodies, which can be incredibly comforting. It's almost like a constant, gentle hug. And let's not forget, cats are curious creatures. A new box or drawer is like a mystery just waiting to be explored. It's all part of their playful nature. So, the next time you see your cat in a small box, remember, it's just their way of feeling safe and cozy. If your cat ever bumps its head against you, congratulations, you've just been marked. This friendly headbutt from your feline friend is also known as head bumping or bunting. It's a behavior that's deeply rooted in their wild ancestry. Cats have scent glands concentrated in certain parts of their bodies, including their forehead and cheeks. When they rub their head against you, they're marking you with their scent, establishing you as part of their territory. But don't worry, this isn't an act of dominance, quite the opposite, in fact. This behavior is a major compliment from your cat. They only mark things they feel comfortable with or have a positive association with. So when your cat bumps its head against you, it's saying that it trusts you and considers you part of its family. So the next time your cat bumps its head against you, remember, you're their favorite human. Ever noticed how your cat is fascinated by running water? Whether it's from the faucet or in the shower, this might seem like a peculiar pastime, but it has a lot to do with their natural instincts. You see, in the wild, running water is often safer to drink than stagnant water, which can be a breeding ground for harmful bacteria and parasites. So, your feline friend's obsession with the faucet isn't just a quirk, it's a survival tactic. Furthermore, cats have a keen sense of hearing, and the sound of running water can be incredibly stimulating for them. It's like a symphony for their ears. Plus, the movement of the water can trigger their predatory instincts, turning an ordinary faucet into an exciting game of chase. So, the next time you see your cat mesmerized by the faucet, you'll know why. It's not just about the fun and games, it's about survival, stimulation, and the thrill of the chase. If your cat ever starts making biscuits on your lap, you're witnessing a behavior known as kneading. This rhythmic pushing and pulling is a common cat behavior that can seem rather peculiar to us humans. But what's the story behind this feline ballet? Well, it all traces back to their kittenhood. Newborn kittens knead their mother's belly to stimulate milk production. As they grow older, this action becomes a comforting memory associated with warmth, safety, and a full belly. That's why when your cat kneads on you, it's not just a random dance, but a gesture of deep affection. Did you know that a cat